it'll get a little off, but these are fun designs, just something to dress up a normal pin. They don't have to be perfect. And yeah, this is plain, but you can also put one of those pin grips on it. This is just a way for you to dress up the ordinary on your desk. Just kind of slide this under. Just make sure you're kind of smoothing it so it doesn't get like a hard bump in it. And if it does get a hard bump, oh well, it's yours. If it doesn't bother you, it doesn't bother me. I mean, look how adorable that is. Sometimes the pin caps are a little tight. That one ended up a little long. So just trim a smidge. I should note this is my first time doing this as well. Let's see. This one's super adorable. So what I do is I take the backing off. This is sticker paper, printable sticker paper. Get it right on the edge. I just like to touch the pin cap, the edge of it, and kind of sorry it's so loud. They don't have to be perfect. If you're a perfectionist, then by all means, go ahead. I'm not. Not on this kind of stuff. See how hard, got that hard piece right there? Still cute. With this one, same thing. Come on. And kind of shift that out of the way. So cute. Looks like a little blue cowboy. Already did that one. Let's see. Let's try this one. Same thing. Now on these, because you got one side that's like a yellow, one side that's more of a pink. It just depends on what you want to show best. I like the yellow. So that's almost too long. It's so weird how you size something and then it still gets a little off. Could be user, because you know I don't cut very straight unless I'm using my trimmer. See how, like the yellow, it goes pink. You can always take something else and run a little bead of something here that's a different color if you wanted to. Let's see. One of my favorites. It's so adorable. The first one I did was this pencil one, and it needs to be a little straighter. We'll see if I can do it this time, if I can even get the sticker off of it. Well, it's not going to cooperate. Come on. This is half of my crafting time, trying to get things to act right. But they always got to act the fool. Always got to act up. Slide that. Come on, dude. Like I said, some of them are a little tighter, the way they make the pin caps. Go ahead and smooth that first little rounded curve. Well, that turned out way better than the first one. How adorable is that? That's so cute. Let's see. I this one. Okay. Let's try this one. This is just an inexpensive way to dress your stuff up. You're ordinary, don't have to spend a lot of money. There's a little smidgen of white. I can't stand seeing white on. And you always think you get it good on your trimmer or your scissors, and it just, it don't act right. It acts a fool, especially when you're on camera. Same thing. You can kind of use the pin cap edge of where you need to line it up. Get in there. That one's just a smidge long. Same thing, smooth that short edge, and then roll it. And it stops it at the pin cap, so you're not pulling it away. You can take a bead of glue or something like that and run along the edge if you're afraid it's going to come undone. But trying to take one of these off of another pin, it was very difficult. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, hello. We will do the yellow leopard print for my last pin. I am not one of those perfection crafters. I am to an extent because I do sell things, but I just thought this was adorable and I wanted to share, because most of the pin crafts I see, you're having to like break the pin cap off and things like that, and yeah, that's all fine and dandy, but kind of, I like things to hang on things sometimes. And you're just applying enough pressure so you're not getting air bubbles in there as much as possible. And there you have it. Super cute, inexpensive ways to decorate your regular BIC type pins. Thanks for watching.